All right, solve the story problem, page 253. Mr. Salazar drove 30 miles on Monday, twice as far on Tuesday as on Monday, and 3 times as far on Wednesday as on Monday. How many total miles did he drive on those 3 days? Well, the first number that we know is that on Monday, he drove 30 miles. Tuesday, he drove 2 times as much as Monday. And Wednesday, he drove 3 times as much as Monday. So this is a 3-part story problem. The first part is finding out the exact amount for Tuesday. How do we figure that out? The clue word is 2 times. The word times, we automatically know that it's multiplication. So we're going to multiply it by the number, the amount for Monday. So we're going to do 30 times 2, which is 60. And for Wednesday, they gave us a clue that it was 3 times, again, the clue word times, as much as Monday, which was 30. So we multiplied 30 by 3. Now it wants to know how many miles did he drive on those 3 days. Well, we know that Monday was 30. We now know that Tuesday, the total was 60. And for Wednesday, it's 90. So altogether, we have 180 miles. That's for story problem number letter A. Now for B. Mrs. Williams had 27 feet of cloth. She used 3 yards of it. How many yards does she have left? So here we have to do an equation which is 27 feet minus the 3 yards that she used equals how many yards? Whatever we have in the back here, which is yard, we bring it down. Yard minus yard equals how many yard? So we box the one that's different. Foot and yard are different. Yard and yard are the same. So we're going to put a box. And under that box, we're going to do 3 steps. 1, 2, and 3. Second number is always our special number. Feet to yard. Feet is smaller than yard, so that means we're going smaller to larger. We're going to divide. And we ask ourselves, how many feet are in a yard? 3. What are we going to divide the 3 by? 27. So 27 divided by 3. My answer is 9, because 9 times 3 is 27. So I'm going to put the 9 inside my box. 9 minus 3, because they already told us that she used 3 yards already. So 9 minus 3 equals 6 yards. So she has 6 yards left. Divide and write each remainder as a fraction, section 2. It says 27 divided by 4. 2 is smaller than 4, so I have to divide by 2 numbers. 4 times what is close to 27? My answer is 6, because 6 times 4 is 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. It's telling us to write each remainder as a fraction. So my remainder is 3, so I have to bring it up. And I'm going to put a 4 in the bottom because 4 is the number we divided by. Whatever we divide by is going to be our denominator for the fraction. All right, I'm going to do one more division, which is the 39 divided by 5. 3 is smaller than 5, so I have to use 2 numbers. 5 times what is close to 39? My answer is 7. I'm sorry, not 9. 7. Because it gives me 35. 9 minus 5 is 4. So I'm going to bring up my remainder. And my denominator is going to be 5 because that's the number we divided by. So my answer is 7 and 4 over 5. All right, I want you to try doing on your own letters C, D, and E. Okay, try doing that on your own, following the same steps that I did. Section 3. 2,473 divided by 9. Again, we ask ourselves, can